Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just picked up Starbucks. It's an iced coffee, and I went to a yoga class this morning with my friend, which was really tough because we've been doing a lot of legs, spin class, Pilates, things like that. So then going to yoga, we were both like really tight, so it was a little bit rough for us. But I'm just running some errands today, so I thought I would take you along. I plan on going to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods because I haven't been there in about 2 weeks. So I guess I'll just show you what I get up to today. So I am here at Michael's picking up another silicone mat. It's the best place to get fat bomb molds. Just real quick, I didn't spend $11 on that silicone mat. If you check the Michael's website, you can usually get 40 to 50% off coupons. So I paid like $5 for it. Trader Joe's and Whole Foods were absolutely packed today. I have no idea why, because it's not like there's a holiday or anything. But I'm just going to go through what I got today at both of the stores. Okay, first up is Trader Joe's, and we will start with my favorite. These are their uncured pork and beef hot link sausages, and also a spaghetti squash. Last time I went, they didn't have any, so I was very happy to see them in stock again. And then I would like to film a keto charcuterie board video because I love cheese boards, and keto is like a great diet to have them on. So I'm gonna film one of those, and then hopefully making some lasagna this week. So I got ricotta cheese and stocking up on everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend again, and also my favorite, blackberries. Then I got some cheese. This is the unexpected cheddar cheese, and also a goat milk brie cheese. This one is really good. Even if you're not a fan of goat cheese, this one is really good. Like, my mom doesn't really care for goat cheese that much, but she really liked this one, so it's more mild. And also I got some cauliflower. I'm going to roast those. I've seen Allie Miller on Instagram roast these in the oven, and they looked delicious, so I'm going to try that. And then I got this organic unsweetened coconut to put on top of some fat bombs. Next up is Whole Foods. So we'll start in the back. I got the shaved Brussels sprouts, which I've been buying them from Whole Foods lately because I think they're cheaper at Whole Foods versus Trader Joe's, where I have been buying them. And then I bought this organic tomato basil pasta sauce because I want to make either lasagna or the spaghetti squash again this week. This is coconut butter, and it was on sale this week. So I picked one up because I really like having it in my fat bombs because it just makes them taste so good. And then I'm trying this Vital Farms sea salt pasture raised butter. I saw Fat Fueled Mom on Instagram post that she likes to buy this, and also Kerrygold was on sale, so I grabbed one of those. Then I've really been into organic broccoli sprouts lately. I've heard so many great things about them, so I'm trying to incorporate them in my diet more. And also I got this sopressata for the cheese board that I'm going to put together. And two of my favorites, the Lily's caramelized and salted and extra dark chocolate bars. They were on sale at Whole Foods today, 2 for $6, which is an awesome deal, especially if you are a Prime member and if you have a Cash App card. I usually get them for like $2.50 per bar, I believe, and usually they're $4. And also I got this giant bag of Epsom salt because I've been getting pretty sore at the gym, so I tried to take a really hot bath every night, and that's been helping a lot. So this is all from Whole Foods. And I also stopped by Sam's just to get 2 things. This is Zip Fizz. It's an energy drink, and it's full of electrolytes, so I grabbed one of these. The fruit punch flavor is by far my favorite, so I grabbed one of those. And also for fat bombs, I got a big jar of creamy almond butter. It's probably the best price that I've seen, so I grabbed those 2 things from Sam's. Okay, I'm going to end today's video there because I need to go over and get some work done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see y'all next time.